Welcome to our behind-the-scenes look at airline catering, where every meal served on your flight is carefully prepared to meet the highest standards of quality and safety. When we eat food on our flight, we don't really think about how it got there. Until now. Join us as we show you how food gets from the farm to your flight. Thousands of meals are crafted daily to accommodate the diverse tastes and dietary preferences of passengers around the world. Let's step inside and see what goes into preparing these in-flight meals. The process begins with the finest ingredients sourced from local suppliers. From farm-fresh produce to premium cuts of meat, every component is selected with care to ensure freshness and flavor. Skilled chefs work tirelessly in state-of-the-art kitchens, utilizing their culinary expertise to create dishes that are not only delicious, but also suitable for consumption at altitude, where taste buds can be less sensitive. Once the meals are cooked to perfection, they're carefully portioned, plated, and sealed in individual trays to maintain freshness during transit. But the process doesn't end there. Rigorous quality control measures are in place to ensure that every meal meets strict hygiene standards and adheres to dietary regulations. Once approved, the meals are loaded onto refrigerated trucks and transported to the airport, where they await their journey to the skies. On board the aircraft, dedicated cabin crew members meticulously arrange the meals according to passenger preferences, ensuring a seamless in-flight dining experience for all. And there you have it. From kitchen to cabin, the journey of an airline meal is a testament to the dedication and expertise of the professionals behind the scenes. Next time you enjoy a meal on your flight, remember the careful craftsmanship and attention to detail that went into making it possible.